So if your pepper is rotten at the bottom right here, it's blossom and rotten and your pepper. And this could be any of your peppers, sweet pepper, bell pepper, whatever pepper you got. And if it has this problem, it's basically, this problem happens a lot in containers because container, the soil is limited, nutrition, calcium, everything is limited in container. And especially if the weather is really hot, this could put a lot of stress on the plant, and the plant will basically use all the nutrition and calcium, everything it got right away, including water, to just stay alive. So what you're gonna do is increase your calcium, and we're gonna increase your water. Now, there's many products and many ways you could increase your calcium. But if you're gonna sprinkle some stuff to increase your calcium, you gotta remember one thing. When adding calcium in your plant, it does not absorb right away, or it's gonna, go into all your peppers and heal all of them right away. No, it take a couple days. When you add your calcium there, the water, you have to water enough to break it down. And once you break down that calcium, then the plant roots start observing it. So once the plant root observe it, the plant root will take it up to the plant and the peppers and helping the rest. So say example, you got 5 peppers and this is the only one that had a problem. Even though you add your calcium today, tomorrow you could still have 1 or 2 more rotten. So when you apply this, give it a couple days. I'm gonna be mixing the garden lime. You could mix whatever product you want. So normally you could use it 1 to 2 teaspoons, or you could do a handful. If you sprinkle it like this, it will work, but it will take a long time to handle that problem. So I just put in that's like a 1.5 teaspoon average. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this. When you mix this, you want to mix this well. If you're mixing a lot and you want to mix like a gallon of water, you could add like 2 handfuls. So this way, while I'm mixing it here with water, it's already dissolving and break down in the water. So this is actually one of the fast way to add this calcium in your thing. And what do? See right there? So we're gonna pour it around like this, even. You don't want to add too much. We just add that. So that right there will take care of the problem. This one is looking good, but as it grow, then it could have the problem. But now that I mix this with water, I'm just gonna water lightly more to whatever has to break it down so the root could absorb it fast. And I'm gonna come back in a couple days and show you guys while they're growing if we have this problem. So it's really hot in here. I have beautiful eggplants coming in. Check the link in the description if you want to get your hand on this. And this is a good wake-up call for me. So now I'm gonna go and do it to all my pepper plants that I have growing, so I don't end up having the same problem. Even though if you do not have this problem yet, you could still have it in the future. So avoid it. Just mix some lightly and pour it in all your pepper plants. And it's not just pepper plants, it's tomato plants, your zucchini plant, squash plant, pumpkin plant. All that would help with this. And if you're new, welcome to Green Tea Garden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. Awesome tips and tricks. So do subscribe. It's 100% free. Click the red subscribe button. Every time I upload a video, you'll get it right away by clicking the bell icon too.